Welcome back to my channel, and today we are making aligue fried rice. Now for our list of ingredients, we have the following. We are going to need 2 bulbs of garlic. This is finely minced. We are also going to need 3 teaspoons of aligue crab fat, and I'm using Navarro's because I find it that this is a good quality crab paste. We also are going to use frozen green peas, the juice of half of a lemon, or you can also use calamansi as substitute. Now for this recipe, we are going to use 3 cups of cooked rice. Now for sauteing, we are going to use 2 to 3 teaspoons of olive oil. Now let's start making our aligue garlic fried rice. So we're gonna put the olive oil into our pan, and we are going to first make our garlic chips, which is gonna be our toppings for our aligue fried rice. So I'm putting about a tablespoon of the minced garlic, and we're gonna cook this until we brown our garlic and it's crispy and crunchy. Now when you make your garlic chips, make sure that you are cooking it in low heat, otherwise the garlic will burn and brown fast. We don't want the taste of burnt garlic onto our garlic fried rice. Now once the garlic chips is done, we're gonna drain as much oil as we can, and we are going to set it aside. In the same pan, we are going to add the rest of the ingredients. We're gonna start sauteing our garlic. We're gonna do this until we can smell the aroma of the garlic, and saute this until it is soft. We're gonna add now our 3 teaspoons of crab paste or aligue. Make sure that your crab fat is well sauteed, and once it is, we can now add our lemon juice or calamansi juice. Add the 3 cups of rice and mix well until the color is well distributed. Now season your aligue rice with fresh ground black pepper and salt. Finally, add your frozen green peas. This would add a vibrant color to our aligue rice. Now once the green peas are cooked, you can then top your rice with the garlic chips to add another texture to your garlic or aligue fried rice. So there you have it, our finished product, aligue garlic fried rice, and this recipe serves up to 3 persons. Now if you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and share this video recipe to your family and friends. And if you're not subscribed yet to my channel, please consider doing so at the NE. And tap that bell for notifications on new videos and recipes. Thanks again for watching. See you again.